Alright guys, in this video I want to talk about the 3 steps every beginner should know about making money online. This is so easy, I wonder why people are not talking about it. This is the only 3 steps every beginner, if you know you are getting started to create a product or just to make money online, then this is the 3 steps you will need to start making money online. So when I was getting started, it took me a lot of time to discover that there are ways that you can approach internet for you to start making money. But see, I never discovered these ways because I was all about looking for how I can make money very fast. Like, I'm not interested in anything like trying to follow the steps that you normally supposed to follow. I was just all about making money fast. So I like to focus on anything that I know can get me the quickest path to start making money. And guess what? I found none on the internet because I was looking for the shortest cut to be able to make money. And it has proven time and time again that shortcuts will not always get you what you are looking for. However, there are easy ways and there are simple ways, right? You have easy and you have simple, but if it is shortcut, my brother, there is nothing like shortcut. So let's cancel this shortcut idea and let me talk about the 3 things that you can start right now to start making money as a beginner. Pay attention to this, right? The first thing you want to have here is this. I don't know if you have been to drawing class before, but if you see this thing, you should know what I'm about to draw, right? Yeah, exactly. So this is what we need. What am I talking about? Am I talking about a box of gift, box of chocolate? What am I talking about? I'm talking about you need something, products, something that you need to have that provide value to people. You need to have this. It can be product, it can be a service, but whatever the case may be, you need to have something that people are interested in. And guess what? You need something that a lot of people need. Not just something that you just want to sell to one. Maybe your uncle said he likes one of your handcraft and you think that you can start selling it. You sell it to only your uncle and no any other person will buy from you. So you need something that a lot of people are interested in. And how do you get that? Go for something that solves problem. If it solves problem, I'm telling you, people will look for it. So that is the first thing that you need as a beginner. It took me a long time to agree that this is what I needed. Then once you have this first thing, the next thing you want to go for, now you will love this, right? Because sometimes products can be your skill, yeah? It can be your expertise. Your product can be anything that solves problem. Don't forget, never forget this. It's all about solving problem. If you can solve problem, if you have any idea, any skills that allow people to be able to go out of one state of discomfort to another state of bliss, you are solving problem. So don't forget, this is one. Now the second thing is, now that you have a product and service, you need a place that people will be able to see this value that you have. That is one thing that makes me cry every day. If I see somebody with a very important skill but nobody knows about it, oh my God, I feel like crying, because my entire goal and my entire essence is to see that anything that is valuable gets out to all the people that needs it, right? So if you are a star, bro, you need to shine. And when you are shining, you need to shine somewhere that people can see, right? Sorry for this, my star. So what is the goal here? The entire idea, what we are trying to do here is to design what we call a landing page. A place where people can come and see what we have to offer to them. Something that they can say, okay, this and this and this is what you do, and you say yes. That is a landing page. And that is our step number 2, because without landing page, I wonder how you'll be able to sell on the internet. You don't have a website, you don't have a landing page, you don't have a place that people can come and see what you have to offer. You are just wasting time. My brother, you can't sell nothing. So you need to have a landing page, like a showcase, like your store, where people can come and see and say, oh, I like what I see, and now I want to buy, right? And people will just be opening their eyes to say, oh, and they will even open their mouth and they will say, wow, this guy's product is good. And they will shout and say, Mom, come and see. That is what you are looking for. Now, once you have this thing, move to the next step. What did I say? Step number 1, products and services. Step number 2, you need to have a landing page, right? Where people can see what you have. This last step here is the most important step, right? One of the most important steps in this whole journey. Because without this step, you are killing your reputation. You are doing a disservice to humanity. You are not a human being at all if you refuse to do this step well. Have you seen that picture? Or when people go to order something online, and when they order something online, when it gets to them, they discover that what they order is different from what they saw. Yes, that is the type of thing that people do at this stage that is very, very bad. Don't do it. Because this is where you make so much money at the end of the day. At the point, if you know how to do this part well, you will not even know where the money are coming from, because every angle you turn, you will be receiving a lot of money from referrals, from people who have enjoyed your service and they're like, wow, I need this thing. And that is step number 3. But what is even this step number 3? It's what I coined, and I call it serving your value. This is where you serve people. The thing they saw on the landing page, serve your value. Now, as I said, this is the most important thing. This is where reputation is built. This is where brand is built. If you want to have a brand that people can say, wow, then this is where to build that particular brand. It is when you serve your value, give them what you say they will get. If you are a coach or an expert or a consultant, you say, I will help you grow your business. Please help them grow their business. If you can't, tell them you cannot do it. There is nothing like fake it. Don't fake with somebody else's business. Use your own. If you say you are going to do something, do it and let them get the value of what they are paying for. That is why, as all these people that don't know how to charge, you just go and say, I want to do a website for you. How much? You just collect small amount of money. You just do anyhow website. And the person is worse than before he met you, right? So if you want to charge. Tell them how much they will pay. No problem. But make sure that you deliver the value. This is the only way everything on the internet is being sold that make a lot of money. This is the same way Elon Musk is selling. It's the same way Jeff Bezos is selling. This is the funnel for success. This is how millionaires are made, right? Billionaires. This is where they are made. All right, guys, go watch the next video and you can comment below if you agree with these steps. If you've tried any other step, let me know, and see you in the next one.